Ellen McCauley, Pray It Off. We're talking about being honest with ourselves, honest with our health and our weight. And there's 6 honest reasons why you're not seeing weight loss. And one of them is if you blame yourself, you'll be successful. If you blame everything else, you won't. You can't make a sacrifice. You cannot say no. Oh, donuts at work? Oh, just this once. And then somebody in your mind, back of your mind, you're really saying, well, I've said that 3,454 times just this once. You don't know what a treat is. A treat definition is out of the ordinary. That's a treat. You are planning an end date already. You want results faster than your laziness. Oh, that's a good one. You have a bad attitude. All right. It's either a cold, miserable winter day or a chance to learn cross-country skiing. It's either a boring meal of roast and vegetables or a gift to spend time with loved ones over a bounty of food most people would literally kill for. It's either a workout you have to do or a celebration of the amazing gift your body is. Your life is yours to live. Be reasonable, responsible, and realistic. And then there's like quotes from people about losing weight, and most of them said that they thought it was something that they could do for a short time. One woman was worried about her skin sagging in the wrinkles, and I say, bring it on, baby. Mother Teresa was one of the most wrinkled people in the world, and look at what she did for the world. I'm not worried about a little sag and a little wrinkles, okay? And then they talked about pumping it up with prayer. A lot of people think this is an exercise group where we go, Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with us. And I say, not quite. We're almost there. But you can do the rosary and do exercise. You can do many different things and say prayers at the same time. Please read that article. We already talked about my beloved husband doing the most incredible video on the, did you ever like touch your phone and it's like all screwed up? All right, I'm going backwards, I'm going forwards. No, I'm going backwards, I'm going forwards. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay, I have a recipe here for huevos rancheros. Tony, I should have you say it for me. He's a Spanish teacher at OCC. But how do you say it?
Huevos rancheros.
Huevos rancheros, inspired spaghetti squash. Listen to this. A medium spaghetti squash. It's got some diced tomatoes and some eggs and some spices. Hello? And then I want to say that Anne put on a recipe, a photo of her stuffed spaghetti squash. She had ground turkey, onion, a can of black beans, crushed tomatoes, Italian seasoning, and she took the spaghetti squash, she mixed all that in and put them back in the shells. And I did ask her, Anne, do you eat the shells? Because what do I know? She said, no, they're decoration. But it looked beautiful. If you have it, who had spaghetti squash last week? Let's see. Oh, a lot of people. Try this huevos rancheros, and now we'll listen to the song, Bobby. I'm done.